Somebody better get Doofy a candy bar. I think he's having a seizure or something.
No, dude. He's okay.
Well then, what's he doing?
He's doing the rain dance, dude. He's really good at it.
Yeah, he keeps a dancing and it keeps a raining.
There's no music playing. There isn't?
He has to keep quiet so Hero doesn't hear him.
Oh, okay.
What the hell is wrong with him?
He stepped on an anthill, and now he's got fire ants in his pants.
Well, throw him out in the rain. That should take care of the fire part. And the rest of you slackers, get busy. There's plenty to do inside today. There's backing to be put in. That soffit still needs to be built. And damn it, Reggie, are you ever going to get this floor wired up?
Probably not.
What?
Probably tomorrow.
I'm going to the supply house, so get busy. There better be something done when I get back here.
I'm the only one that does anything around here. I'm a policeman. I don't do anything ever.
Heroes Crew!